Welcome to Python 101 Part 9. I will talk about how to use a dictionary in Python. Before we dive into the contents, for people who haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe my video to encourage me to make more useful video for Python. Alright, let's dive into the lesson. Imagine that you want to store a data such as movie names with its information. Using lists, it is quite difficult to use to store the information. For example, list movie name equal name 1, name 2, name 3, list play time equal play time. Alternatively, using dictionaries, we can have a movie name as a key and playtime as a value. As an example, dictionary movie equal 1, playtime 1, name 2, playtime 2, and so on. Example how to set up dictionary. Empty dictionary, you declare like this, and then set up with initial dic movie, declare like this, and finally see the result, dic movie turning red movie name, then you got 1 hour 57 minutes. The keys of dictionary is unique. As you can see, the example I assign 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. The key is 1. But in the end, when I print the dictionary list, I only receive 1 to 3 and 2 to 4. How to clean up the dictionary? So there are create, read, delete, and update function. So first, how to create a dictionary? The first method is declare dic A equal empty dictionary. Second method is dic A equal dictionary function. This is how to declare an empty dictionary. Then how to read a dictionary? So we construct a dictionary movie as first movie and the time, second movie and the time, and so on. Then now we want to see the first movie, what is the playtime, which is 2 hours and 19 minutes. Also as well, we can call it as a .get and the key name, which is the movie name. To delete a dictionary is also straightforward. Delete dictionary key that you want to delete. Then when you print the dictionary, then the first movie is deleted from the dictionary. Then you only have 2 keys. Then we talk about update. Method 1, we have the dictionary movie. So then we want to update the movie name, the Lord of the Ring. Then we can just simply put the Lord of the Ring as a key equal the movie times. Then we print to check out. There you have it. Second method on update. You can also do the same thing, but in this case, we will call the dot update instead of we doing the square brackets. Then you check, you get the same output. How to check if the key is in a dictionary? You can simply using in to check whether that movie inside the dictionary. For example, Argyle in the movie. The answer is true because it's in. And then the Lord of the Rings is not in the movie, so it returns false. So now how to see all pairs, key, and value of a dictionary? You simply using dictionary.items. Then it will show all the pairs, but you need to iterative to the dictionary.items. So I will use for loops in order to do that. For loop key and value. Take key and value in the dictionary movie.items, and then I print, and then you will see the key and value pairs. Thank you for listening to my Python 101 video. Please let me know in the comment what do you like about my video and what can I improve for my future video. Thank you so much for your support. Bye.